Welcome back to Cellulare-Magazine.it. Today we are with the Sony Ericsson R306. As you can see, it's a clamshell. I'm Emilio Vignapiano and this is a very short video preview. Let's start with the materials. The plastic are pretty good for an entry-level model. Also, the way it's built really gives you the idea of the attention that has come for this mobile. In fact, when you open here, there is the gum to don't let the flip, the upper part to don't open too much. The plastic are all white. There are also black version of this model. In front you have a little display with the time, the network and the battery, but you can have also with these 3 buttons some FM station, but we will see it in a while. Then you have stereo FM AM radio. Here are 2 speakers for this 3-band with GPRS connection, no age, no UMTS. This is very simple. We'll continue saying. The screen is not so big, just 1.9 inch with 65,000 colors, pretty bright. The menu are the classical Sony Ericsson one. And as there are really simple features, the camera and the radio are in the main menu. You can also have some Java games. On board you have just 5 megabytes of memory, and you cannot expand as there is no possibility to put micro SD or other memory, external memory. The dimensions are 90 centimeter per 47.9 per 15.8. So, sorry, millimeter, and the weight is just 93 grams, so not heavy. The keyboard is pretty funny. The keys are big enough also to write SMS, no problem. The only little problems come with these 2 soft keys and this back and cancel number, so you will have some little problems because there is the mechanical key, but there is no the size of it, so sometimes you will just have to push it very hardly to just use it. The audio in the normal phone is pretty good for a 1990 euro phone. Also good with the speakers, but the speakers are more useful with the radio FM. So let's put the headphone, because to use the radio you need the headphone. As you can see, the headphone is bigger. This is to give you not only the FM option but also the AM option with a coverage that is really powerful. So it's really working good, the radio. In fact, this is a radio phone, as Sony Ericsson said. Okay, now there is the radio playing. You can memorize 3 different radio and you can change directly. You can also go through the 20 radio station that you can memorize on it. Let's open. The audio with the headphone is pretty better than the one that you can have on the speaker. I will try to show you the speaker sound. As you see, there is radio going on. You can save your station and you can send to other Sony Ericsson R306 to share your station via Bluetooth but also via SMS.
Atletico della nazionale inglese, la prossima edizione di Capital News alle 15.
See, the audio is pretty good.
Ciao Giancarlo, ciao a tutti. Mi sa che Giancarlo arriverà a fine
This is the maximum volume.
di Roma, così ci abbracciamo personalmente. Vi là vedo già Alex Paletta, bello illuminato quest'oggi, c'è anche Emanuele Lenina in redazione, si sta insieme fino alle 17.
In the headphone is much better. Let's close it to save some battery. On the phone, as we said, you have the radio FM, but you have also Bluetooth, so no problem also with stereo headphone. There is not the stereo Bluetooth, so you just hear in mono. This because as you don't have any expansion and the MP3 player can just use 5 megabyte, to use the radio you need always the headphone to do the antenna, so there's no need to use a stereo Bluetooth or a Bluetooth 2.0, also because you can use this phone for modem, but as you have just a GPRS connection, it's a phone that is designed for other feature like the FM feature, and to have a really simple economical phone on the way. The battery gives you really a nice standby for 110 hours, and you have more than 500 minutes conversation, so this is pretty good. I want to stop a little more on the materials. As you see, they are very simple, but they are very well assembly, and the quality is really showed off in every part. There are not points where you see that is just an entry-level phone of 99 euro. You have also the camera on the back that is a very simple 1.3 megapixel, just to use it for MMS and to save some photo and to send back to the computer, as with 5 megabytes you cannot save too many photos. This phone is already on the market in Italy at 99 euro, and that's all. For CellulareMagazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano with the Sony Ericsson R306.